Hello, let's continue forward to the session on major convention centers and conferences in India, unique features and specializations. We'll be covering again about Pragati Maidan, Bombay Exhibition Center, the Bangalore International Exhibition Center, and all the other trade centers all over India that we have been talking about previously. And then we will discuss the importance of culture in certain convention centers that create a colorful experience. And then we will conclude this video. Introduction. India, a diverse and dynamic land, proudly hosts major convention centers and conferences that stand as pillars of knowledge exchange, industry collaboration, and economic growth. In this exploration, we delve into the distinctive features and uniqueness of some significant convention centers across the country, understanding how each venue distinguishes itself in the world of events. From the historical grandeur of Pragati Maidan in New Delhi to the technological prowess of the Bangalore International Exhibition Center, BIEC, each center embodies a blend of tradition and modernity, creating a vibrant and conducive environment for a myriad of gatherings. The Bombay Exhibition Center in Mumbai, nestled in the financial capital, epitomizes economic significance, while the Hyderabad International Convention Center, the HICC, in the south emerges as a hub for technology and pharmaceuticals. Each of these venues reflect the rich tapestry of India's cultural diversity, contributing uniquely to the nation's narrative of progress, innovation, and global connectivity. The Pragati Maidan at New Delhi, a blend of tradition and modernity. Pragati Maidan, situated in the heart of New Delhi, stands as a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, making it a unique and iconic venue. Steeped in historical significance, it has played host to landmark events that have contributed to shaping the narrative of the nation. The expansive grounds, featuring distinct halls and pavilions, each with its own character, allow Pragati Maidan to specialize in hosting a wide array of events, ranging from cultural expos to international trade fairs. This diversity is a testament to its versatility and adaptability, meeting the multifaceted needs of various gatherings. With its mix of traditional charm and modern facilities, Pragati Maidan continues to be a dynamic and iconic venue. It embodies the rich cultural heritage of India while seamlessly accommodating the demands of contemporary events. Bombay Exhibition Center, BEC at Mumbai, Financial Hub's Event Hub. Bombay Exhibition Center in Mumbai stands as a testament to the city's pivotal role as the financial capital of India. Its uniqueness is rooted in its strategic location at the heart of business and commerce, making it an unparalleled venue for events centered around finance, trade, and commerce. The top-tier facilities, coupled with proximity to major financial institutions, position BEC as a specialized hub for conferences that shape economic discussions and contribute to the discourse on global economic trends. BEC's distinctive role not only underscores Mumbai's status as a financial powerhouse, but also highlights the city as an event destination with a specialized economic focus. It serves as a dynamic platform where industry leaders converge to discuss, strategize, and shape the trajectory of economic activities, further solidifying Mumbai's reputation as a global financial and events hub. Bangalore International Exhibition Centre, BIEC, Bengaluru, Tech and Innovation Hub. Bangalore International Exhibition Centre in Bengaluru distinctly carves its niche as the hub of technology and innovation, aligning seamlessly with the city's identity as the Silicon Valley of India. What sets BIEC apart is its specialization in hosting tech-centric events, conferences, and exhibitions, making it the epicenter where cutting-edge technologies are showcased, startups present innovations, and global tech giants converge. The infrastructure at BIEC is tailored specifically for technology-driven events, creating an environment that fosters innovation and entrepreneurial spirit. Its unique focus contributes significantly to establishing Bengaluru as a global tech hub, attracting not only local talent but also international attention. BIEC plays a crucial role in propelling the city to the forefront of technological advancements, shaping its narrative as a center for innovation and a driving force in the global tech landscape. Hyderabad International Convention Center, HICC, hub of industry conferences. Hyderabad International Convention Center, that is HICC, stands as a dynamic hub where diverse industries converge for knowledge exchange and collaboration. What sets HICC apart is its specialization in hosting conferences across various sectors, including information technology, pharmaceuticals, and biotechnology. HICC becomes the canvas where industry leaders, researchers, and policymakers come together to shape the future of their respective fields. The adaptable spaces and modern facilities offered by HICC are meticulously designed to cater to the dynamic needs of different industries, fostering an environment that promotes cross-sectoral collaborations and interdisciplinary discussions. HICC's unique focus positions Hyderabad as a city where industries seamlessly converge, creating synergies that transcend traditional boundaries. It serves as a catalyst for innovation and progress by facilitating interactions among professionals from diverse sectors, contributing to the city's reputation as a center for knowledge exchange and industry convergence. Through its specialized approach, HICC plays a pivotal role in shaping the narrative of Hyderabad as a hub for dynamic industry conferences, where ideas are shared, collaborations are forged, and the future of various sectors is collectively envisioned. Chennai Trade Center, bridging tradition and industry in the South. Chennai Trade Center, nestled in the industrial and cultural hub of Chennai, stands out as a venue that skillfully bridges tradition and industry. What makes it unique is its ability to host events that celebrate India's rich cultural heritage while also serving as a dynamic platform for industrial conferences and exhibitions. The center's specialization in automotive, engineering, and manufacturing events seamlessly coexist with cultural expositions that showcase traditional arts and crafts, creating a dual identity that reflects the cultural diversity and economic vibrancy of the southern region. This dual specialization positions Chennai Trade Center as a versatile and inclusive venue that caters to a wide spectrum of interests. On the one hand, it provides a space for industries to showcase innovations, discuss advancements, and foster collaborations in key sectors. On the other hand, it serves as a cultural haven where traditional arts, crafts, and heritage are celebrated, contributing to the preservation and promotion of India's diverse cultural tapestry. Chennai Trade Center, with its unique blend of tradition and industry, plays a crucial role in shaping the narrative of the southern region, embodying the harmonious coexistence of cultural richness and economic dynamism. The importance of culture in certain convention centers, creating a colorful experience. In some convention centers in India, culture is not just in the background, it's a lively and essential part of the whole experience. Let's understand why cultural integration is so important. Dive into culture. Certain convention centers serve as doors to a cultural adventure, going beyond their roles as event venues to become vibrant hubs of local arts, cuisines, and traditions. These centers celebrate the essence of the regions they inhabit, offering visitors a rich and immersive experience that transcends the boundaries of traditional conferences. It's not merely about the events hosted within their walls, it's about fostering a deep connection with the heart of the local culture. These cultural hubs showcase the diversity and heritage of the region, allowing attendees to engage with and appreciate the traditions unique to each locale. Whether through art exhibitions, culinary experiences, or cultural performances, these convention centers transform into more than just event spaces. They become gateways for people to authentically connect with and experience the living tapestry of the local culture. Showcasing diversity. Convention centers in India transcend their roles as mere event spaces. They emerge as dynamic stages that vividly showcase the incredible diversity inherent in India's regions, cultures, and traditions. Each event hosted within these centers becomes a unique opportunity to celebrate and share the distinctiveness of different parts of the country. Through a myriad of gatherings, attendees are immersed in the cultural richness of India, experiencing the traditions, arts, and cuisines that make each region unique. These centers, therefore, play a crucial role in bringing people from various backgrounds together, fostering an environment where individuals can appreciate and understand the vast and vibrant tapestry of India's diverse heritage. In doing so, they create spaces that encourage unity in diversity, promoting a sense of shared identity and pride in the multitude of cultural expressions that define the nation. Global attraction with local flair. Major convention centers in India strike a delicate balance between aspiring for global standards and preserving local flavors, creating events that possess a unique blend of international appeal and distinct local identity. These centers recognize the importance of catering to an international audience while also valuing the authenticity of the local culture. Events hosted within these venues are curated to be enjoyed by a global audience, offering experiences that transcend geographical boundaries. Yet, they manage to retain the authentic touch of local culture, whether through traditional performances, culinary delights, or cultural exhibitions. This harmonious fusion ensures that these gatherings become global attractions, drawing participants and attendees from around the world who can appreciate and enjoy the richness of India's diverse cultural tapestry while embracing a truly global experience. Conclusion. A mix of specializations. In conclusion, the major convention centers in India intricately weave a tapestry of specializations, each contributing uniquely to the diverse landscape of the nation's events. The blend of tradition and modernity at Pragati Maidan, the financial and commercial focus of BEC in Mumbai, BIEC's role as a tech and innovation hub in Bengaluru, HICC's position as a convergence point for various industries in Hyderabad, and Chennai Trade Center's ability to bridge tradition with industry exemplify the versatility and uniqueness of these venues. As India continues to solidify its position as a global events destination, the specializations of these convention centers play a pivotal role in shaping the narrative of each city, contributing significantly to economic growth, knowledge sharing, cultural exchange on both national and international scales. These centers not only host events but serve as dynamic platforms that reflect the vibrancy and dynamism of India's diverse socio-economic and cultural landscape.